Why does your scanner show the P0327 engine code? What does it mean? P0327 is a diagnostic trouble code for the knock sensor 1 circuit. Low input, bank 1. The P0327 code means knock sensor 1 circuit low input. The engine control module, ECM, has detected a voltage signal from the knock sensor that is abnormally low, usually below 0.5 volts, meaning it is failing to pick up or transmit the expected vibrations caused by engine detonation. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ECM, bad knock sensor, damaged wiring, corrosion or moisture, incorrect torque. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet, Audi, Volkswagen, Nissan, and Subaru. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.